Today I am reviewing the Ninja Kitchen System BL770. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Ninja Kitchen System BL770 is an all-in-one powerhouse that transforms any kitchen into a culinary hub. Whether you're blending smoothies, crushing ice, preparing dough, or chopping ingredients for your favorite meals, this system has you covered. At the heart of this device is a powerful 1,500-watt motor, delivering professional-grade performance that can tackle even the toughest ingredients. From frozen fruits to hard ice cubes, it effortlessly powers through, giving you smooth and consistent results every time. One of the standout features of the BL770 is its XL 72-ounce total crushing pitcher. Perfect for making large batches for family meals, gatherings, or meal prep. It's equipped with total crushing blades that turn ice into snow in seconds and ensure even blending of every ingredient. And if you're in a hurry, the system also includes two 16-ounce Ninja cups with to-go lids, making it easy to enjoy fresh smoothies and shakes while on the move. For those who love versatility, this Ninja system doesn't disappoint. The 8-cup food processor bowl allows you to chop, puree, mix, and even knead dough. The dedicated dough blade can mix up to 2 pounds of dough in just 30 seconds, making homemade bread, pizza, or pastries faster and easier than ever. Alongside the chopping blade, the system delivers precise and consistent results for every recipe. Functionality is another highlight. You can choose from 4 versatile functions: blend, mix, crush, and single serve, depending on your cooking or prepping needs. The Ninja Blade system features 4 unique blades optimized for every task, from the total crushing blades for large batches to the Pro Extractor blades for single-serve shakes and smoothies, ensuring no ingredient is left behind. Cleaning is simple and convenient. All BPA-free parts, including the cups, bowls, and blades, are dishwasher safe, while the motor base can be wiped down with a damp cloth. With this easy cleanup, your time in the kitchen stays focused on creating, not scrubbing. The BL770 comes fully equipped with everything you need: the 1,500-watt motor base, the 72-ounce total crushing pitcher, the stack blade assembly, 2 16-ounce Ninja cups, the Pro Extractor blade assembly, the 8-cup precision processor bowl, the chopping blade, and the dough blade. With all these attachments and a powerful motor at your fingertips, this Ninja Kitchen System is a true all-in-one solution for both daily meals and special culinary creations. In summary, the Ninja BL770 Kitchen System is designed for efficiency, power, and convenience. Whether you're making smoothies, chopping vegetables, kneading dough, or crushing ice for cocktails, this versatile system can handle it all. It's perfect for busy households, aspiring chefs, or anyone looking to upgrade their kitchen with a professional-grade appliance that delivers consistent, reliable results. With the Ninja Kitchen System, meal prep becomes faster, smoother, and more enjoyable, bringing the power of a full kitchen into one compact, easy-to-use system.